Why was Dilip Ghosh attacked?
See, I'll tell you, Arnab. Yes, I'll give the answer. See, the place where this incident happened, it is barely a kilometer or a couple of kilometers away from where Mamata Banerjee did her campaign couple of hours back. And you know, people who attended Mamata Banerjee's Jan Sabha were coming from that area, the TMC supporters. And Dilip Ghosh, in his own admission, said there were slogans given from TMC, there were counter slogans given from BJP. And in such a volatile political election where people are so strung up, if you incite violence by going into somebody's territory, you are provoking people for the inevitable. And I believe the entire safety security of the president of
One minute. What do you mean somebody's territory?
Election Commission.
What did you mean somebody's territory? 1 minute. I want to focus on the play of words. A minute, please, Dilip. 1 minute. Riju and Dilip, please stop. Please stop. I will now observe. I will now observe. I have a few observations to make. The word used, Dilip, 1 minute, please, Nikhil, please. The word used by the Trinamool spokesperson is, if in a volatile political situation, you provoke someone by going into their territory. What do you mean, their territory? Have you marked out territories like that?
Can I give an answer, or you let me know when I can answer?
What do you mean, my territory? So this is Trinamool territory. Don't come in, otherwise we'll kill you. No, I'm asking you. You have to answer my question.
It is your play of words, Arnab.
You are saying Dilip Ghosh went into Trinamool territory.
Can I?
No, you said Dilip Ghosh went into Trinamool territory. I don't play with words, I utilize them to express myself. You said Dilip Ghosh provoked the Trinamool by going into the Trinamool territory. Now don't try to change your words. No. The question is, did you or did you not say?
No, I will not. Can I answer now?
That Dilip Ghosh provoked the Trinamool workers by going into their territory. Therefore, you admit it was an attack by the Trinamool Congress.
No, can you...
But explanation based on an admission, Riju. An admission of your own statement. The admission cannot fall. You have to admit you said that.
Because my dear friend... No. Yes, I will say territory because what I meant by political territory
and you are trying to justify this.
My dear friend Nikhil,
this is sinister.
You will also agree that when Shubhendu Adhikari is doing a sabha, and even when Shubhendu Adhikari or Narendra Modi ji is doing a sabha, if there is hundreds of Trinamool workers going to that road shouting Trinamool slogan, it is inviting violence, it is provoking violence. Because at that juncture, that is the territory of a political party that is
condemn this attack.
Oh my God!
By the Election Commission to do
what are you reducing politics to?